In this video, I'll show you how to download and install any app on your ThinkPad laptop. First, click the Start button and type Microsoft Store in the search box, then open it. In the search bar, type the name of the app you want to install, for example, WhatsApp. Select the correct app from the search results. Now click the Get or Install button. Wait for the download to finish. Once the installation is complete, click Open to launch the app immediately. If you don't want to open it now and want to use it later, click the Start button later. Type the app's name, for example, WhatsApp, in the search box and right-click and click Pin to Taskbar. Now the app will appear on your desktop for easy to use. You can open it with one click. That's it. Your app is now installed on your ThinkPad laptop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ThinkPad and Windows 11 tutorials. Thanks for watching.